Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, want to do a quick shout out to a channel by the name of a guy by Luke, I think it's Fugate. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. I would say it wrong anyway, probably. But there's so many people I watch on YouTube. I spend a lot of time and I see a lot of great channels. But sometimes they're just a little bit extra. And Luke is has a channel like that. He The reason I wanted to do this video today is because of this series of videos he's been doing on making a personal lift. His mom is elderly and she falls at home and has to call the ambulance, have people come help her get up. And so he made something so she could get up by herself. It's a lift. If she can go over and crawl on it, it'll help her. He made it from Harbor Freight stuff he got and everything. It's really cool design, and it just touched my heart that he was making something to help his keep his mom out of the nursing home. That's a really important thing. And but he's got so many other brilliant things going on. I first found out about him when he made this video on his homemade car camper out of a Cavalier '96, I think, and it's ingenious. You know how a Prius has a system where when it gets warm, it turns on the air conditioning if you're camping it at night. He managed to turn his Cavalier into a car camper where his engine turns on when it gets warm in the car and turns on the air conditioner. So it's the guy's brilliant, absolutely brilliant, and does all sorts of unexpected, original stuff that you don't always find on other channels and other people. So I really think people should give Luke a look into his channel, and I think you might find some cool stuff on his site. So guys, if you subscribe, tell him Rob sent you, and hope you definitely check out his personal lift he made to help people get up off the floor if they're living by themselves at home. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.